guys, I'm back again. And today we are going to unbox the Styletone box from last month because right when this box arrived, I went away. I wasn't home for a couple of weeks, but I'm back now and I still wanted to unbox these boxes. An immediate disclaimer, somebody's in my shower and the baby is over there. So if you hear noises here and there, sorry. This is real life. This is not my job. So I need to film when and where I can, and this is just the way it is. Okay, so like I said, Styletone box of last month. I know y'all probably already know what's inside, but like I said, I still wanted to unbox it. So we got the booklet, and the magazine box of September box is Eyes on Me. This is the inside of the box, and pretty much everything is in a satchel, so I'm gonna throw away the box. And we're going to open up the satchel and take something out of there one by one. Okay, so let's get started with something by Effect. Party All Night Mascara, volume, length, and curl. I hope this is in the color black, but I'm pretty sure it is. Let's open the sucker up and see what the mascara looks like. No, I just wanted to say, like, wait a minute, am I not, like, using this one right now? But I'm actually not. Okay, so this is what it looks like. There with the box. And let's see on the inside. Wow. You know what? This actually might be the exact mascara that I already use as we're speaking. So, I don't know. I will have to check it out. Now let me just check out the booklet and see where it is. No, shoot, I already seen all the products. Oh, it's number 5, and the Effect Party All Night Mascara is 12 euros. Okay, so let's move on to something else from Incredible. This is the No Puff Zone Hydrating Hemp Hydro Gel Under Eye Mask. So this is what that little sucker looks like. Very, very excited because with the baby, sleepless nights, dark circles, Lord knows I could use this. Okay, so let's check out in the booklet and see how much it costs. It's number 4, and the Incredible No Puff Eye Mask is 9 euros and 95 cents. Okay, so we got 3 more items in the little satchel. And let's just grab the first one, which is from Steve Laurent. And this is Precision Tip Liner in the color black. Thank goodness it is in black. Okay, this, oh, it looks very fancy. See, this is what it looks like. And it's got like this little foil over it. So I do need to open it up somehow. So give me a minute. Okay, so I finally got it open. And this is what the liner looks like. I'm not going to swatch it right now because I'm actually going to leave the house. Oh my goodness, I almost dropped it. I'm actually going to leave the house. So I'm going to test this out probably tomorrow or the day after that. I'm not really sure. But I'm very excited to see what it does. Usually I'm not really into these kind of liners, so I hope this one will be different. If not, I'm going to pass it along to my sister. So the Steve Laurent, it's right over here. Liquid eyeliner costs 21 euros and 5 cents. So up next we have Olution. I love anti-dark circle and puffiness. Oh wow. Just when I was talking about my dark circles, we receive basically an eye cream against those dark circles, so that is great. It's 100% natural origin, wow, and plus 65 organic extracts, so that is pretty awesome. This is what it looks like. I actually do have a lot of eye creams already, which I need to finish up, so I'm not really sure when I'll get to this, but I know I will. Let's see, the Olution I Love Cream is worth 24 euros. Okay guys, we're down to the very last item, which is from Bella Pierre. It's liquid eyeshadow eye candy in, I guess this is the color Venus. But it kind of sucks because I don't use liquid eyeshadow at all. So let's see, I guess this right here is the color already. Let's just see if it is. Yes, it is. It looks freaking gorgeous, but you know what? I don't use liquid eyeshadow like I said. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in a giveaway along the way. Speaking about giveaways, I am so freaking close to give away this box that I have been dying to give away, actually, because I have something else so freaking cool planned for you guys. So make sure to check out my giveaway. I always have a giveaway open. When one giveaway ends, another starts. So make sure to check it out. We're like about 10 or 13 subscribers away. I don't know. But basically, y'all will be seeing this fella along in a giveaway as well. So the Bella Pure Liquid Eye Candy in the color Venus, or it's just called Venus, I'm not really sure, I think that's the color name, is worth 15 euros. And don't forget to check out my giveaway. Okay guys, and that is it for this box. I know it's last month's box. What do I think? I think this is an okay solid box. There's one item I'm definitely not going to use, which is the liquid eyeshadow, but like the eye cream, the under eye. This is, by the way, every single item I just now realized has to do with eyes. We got an eye cream and an eye mask. We got an eyeshadow, a liquid eyeliner, and a mascara. So I guess they had the eyes in theme. It's an okay box. It's solid. It's not their best. It's definitely not their worst. I like it. Let me know in the comment section down below. What do you guys think about this month's box? I'd like to thank y'all so much for watching. Sorry the video is late, but I'm back again and I have quite a few boxes to go through. And the new Styletone box came in yesterday, so I need to hurry my ass up. And I will see you guys in my next unboxing video. And don't forget to check out the giveaway. Bye.